Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Motorola Moto G73 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. First of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously applied languages. We've got only English, so let's change it. Let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So basically that's all you have to do. Just find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. I will pick maybe French. And sometimes, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So let me pick Canada, for example. And as you can see, the French language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. Your device will not ask you if you want to change the language to French. You actually have to do it kind of manually. So basically the rule is that the language which is on the first position is the main one. So we have to just move the French to the first position. Just tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now, it is movable. You can drag it to the first position just like that. And after releasing the finger, so setting the French on the first position, your device will automatically apply the French to the whole menu. As you can see, everything is French right now. So let me show it to you again, because I'm not really good at French. So let's change it to English again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got English. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list because, for example, I don't know, you added it here because of the misclick or something, whatever. You can remove them just by tapping on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now you can mark the language and tap on the trash bin icon. And that was a misclick because I've just tapped on search. So the trash bin icon and tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your Motorola Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.